new video. Today we're gonna learn how to put what they call NetBeans on your Ubuntu system. So in case you wanna start develop in Java, so I wanna show you from beginner. So we're gonna have a couple of tutorials on for people who wants to learn Java. Okay, this is gonna be our first tutorial on Ubuntu. We did also how to install it, made a tutorial on how to install it on Linux. So now here we're gonna get what they call, we go to software here and we search for NetBeans. We can't find NetBeans. Let's say NetBeans. Can you see NetBeans? We're searching, we don't have NetBeans, but that's not a stress because that's what we want to install. So now what you do, you can go to your software center and we look for, you're gonna search for what they call NetBeans. Once you get NetBeans, let's see if we can get it. Okay, you can say integrated development environment, NetBeans, Apache NetBeans IDE for students using the test my code. Okay, we're gonna take this and we say we're installing. So after, it's gonna ask you for the password. Okay, after doing that, you say okay. So it's installing, it might take a while, so we're gonna wait and see. You can as well do what they call, you can as well forward the video and see what's gonna happen. So it's gonna install for you integrated development environment for software developers. It supports development of desktop enterprises, web and mobile applications. Packages included base IDE, Java development tools and plugin development tools, support for PHP, Ruby, C++, Java EE and other can be added. So if you want to add maybe Python or other stuff, you can do that. So now we're trying to install. The internet is not that faster, that's why you can see that it's taking a little bit longer to install, but anyway you can forward the video and see where we have stopped. Let's see. When it finishes, we're gonna tell you that it has finished, and let's wait and see, because now we're running on a very slow internet. So as well, you can go and take some coffee and don't remove this. Let it be like this. It's gonna be on 1%, 2%, 3% until when it finishes. Okay. It's taking longer, but it's gonna work. When the internet is slow, it's gonna take longer. I'm gonna post the video so that you guys, you don't get too much time child from your side. Let me pause it. Guys, I think this is taking forever, so what I'm suggesting, I'm gonna go back. If you find that doesn't work for you, you select IDE for students using test code, TMCB beans. Okay, Apache NetBeans. Okay, we can leave that anyway. So install, let me see, installing. Oh, still installing integrated, but it doesn't show the percentage. It could do like this, and then by same time then it's done. And I didn't want to download something else before, because it might make also the internet a little bit slow, you get me? So let's see what's going on. Let's give it some time. I'm gonna pause the video again. Yes guys, this is good. What it did everything in the background. So now it's finished and it's done. So now it says remove or whatever. We don't want to remove. We're gonna close this. We're happy with everything. So now we can, after closing that, we're gonna look for NetBeans here. NetBeans, here we go. You click on it. Let's wait until it starts. Wow. Wow, 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 guys, that's NetBeans. And if you wanna start, you wanna see if it doesn't have any prompt, you have to click here and say create new, okay, Java application, and say next, and say you can leave like where they want. If you wanna create something else, then you can go there and finish. After finishing that, you can go here and say, if you're in here, you can say system dot, what is that, system out dot print. Let me see this. Let's find this. Shouldn't do this. Let me start this. No main class found. Public void main. Okay, we can do this. Still playing with us here. Public starting void main arguments. You can say this. Okay, string. I'm having some trouble here when it says cannot find symbol string. Okay, it has to be capital there. Is it str, something like that? It's just giving me some trouble, but anyway. Okay, that's something we can do for another day. But anyway, I've showed you that NetBeans is working 100%. So we can, let me go to the internet, get something like simple, so that we can carry on and conclude our tutorial well. Let me say Google. I wanted to go to google.com. google.com Java hello world. I wanna copy something, then I show you how we can do that, simply because I don't want to be much into stuff, yet we managed to fix our problem. You can see string arguments. I wonder why it's giving me that error. Let me copy that, and because that's the same code anyway, it's giving us some trouble. I don't know what for. Let me do that. Still it's giving me this. There could be something wrong. Main class, whatever. There could be something wrong which we can look into. After that, we can, I think we're gonna fix that. This could be also another tutorial. We're gonna find out what's the error, then we try to fix it. Guys, please don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. That's it. That's the video to show you how to how to install NetBeans on Ubuntu. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.